Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to archive and also how to unarchive Instagram posts. So if you accidentally archived an Instagram post and you are thinking that you lost it, that's not true because you can get it back if you want. It's very easy. The Instagram has that feature where you can where you can archive and unarchive Instagram posts. But if you just want to archive and unarchive Instagram posts, let me show you exactly how you can do this. All you have to do, guys, is open your Instagram account and your profile. Click your profile at the very bottom right, and now you are on your profile. Now let's say I want to archive this picture. You want to click three little dots in the top right, as you can see here, and you want to click on archive, as you can see here, archive. And as you can see here, the picture has disappeared from my Instagram account. If you want to get it back, if you want to unarchive this post, you want to just click three lines in the top right and then click your activity, the second option. You want to click your activity after you click three lines in the top right. Now you want to scroll down a little bit and click on archived, okay? Now after you click on archived, here is the picture that we have archived a few seconds ago. Now if you want to unarchive this Instagram post, you want to click three lines in the top right of the picture. Now you want to click on show on profile. It doesn't say unarchive, but that means show on profile means unarchive this post. Now you want to click on show on profile. Now if you go back to your profile, you will find the picture. You will find the picture that we have archived a few seconds ago. Let me know in the comments if this works. Leave a like.